Hey everyone, in this video I will show you a few solutions to fix Roblox issue the application has encountered unrecoverable error. So please follow the steps with me and let's jump into it. First of all, it's better to disable any third-party antivirus or Windows security on your computer. And also you need to make sure your Windows is all up to date. So to do that, just go to Windows Update, then check for updates manually, and if there is any updates available, make sure to download and install them. After that, open up command prompt. So to do that, go to search bar and type in there CMD and make sure to run it as administrator. Type this command in the command prompt, sfc /scan now, and then press enter. If there are any bugs on your computer, this command will repair it. And next, on your desktop, right click on Roblox Player, then select properties. On the top, click on compatibility tab. Make sure to check this one, run this program as administrator. Click on apply and OK. Follow the same process for Roblox Studio. So just right click on it, click on properties, compatibility tab, run this program as administrator, then click on apply and OK. If the first solution didn't work, then we can move on to the next one. Open up your search bar and type in there % local app data % and hit enter. In here, look for temp folder and open it up. Then find Roblox folder and delete it. You don't need to worry, it's not going to affect your account or games. So after you deleted the Roblox folder, then open up your browser. So in my case, it's Google Chrome. On the top, click on these three dots, then select settings. On the left, click on privacy and security. Then select this one, cookies and other site data. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on see all site data and permissions. Over here where it says search, in the search bar type Roblox. And anything to do with Roblox, just delete them. We also need to disable or remove any extension related to Roblox. So to do that, just click on extension on the left side. And over here you can either remove it or you can just disable it. Next, we need to uninstall Roblox from our computer. So to do that, press Windows key and R on your keyboard to open up Run. Type in there appwiz.cpl and click OK. Then the programs and features will open up. So in here, you need to uninstall the Roblox Player and Roblox Studio. So just select them one by one and click on Uninstall. Once you uninstall it, then try to log into your Roblox account and download it again. So select any game. Then click on download and install Roblox. Click on Roblox Player Launcher to run it. Click on Roblox Player Launcher to run it. Once the installation is completed, then before you start your game, make sure to close all the third-party programs. If this solution didn't work, then we can move on to the next one. So open up your search bar and type in there CMD to run command prompt. Make sure to run it as administrator. Type this command ipconfig /flash DNS and press enter. After that, head over to Microsoft Store and try to download the Roblox, as Microsoft Store version is more stable. Once the download is completed, so just click on play and log into your account. Hopefully this should fix the issue. And thanks for letting me know in the comments below. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.